Hello everyone, Jai Hind. Let me break something down that most people miss in Meta Ads. Ready to launch, run, and scale your first Meta Ads campaign in just 8 days? This step by step course is designed for beginners, taking you from setting up your business manager and creating audiences to designing scroll stopping ads, setting budgets, tracking conversions, and optimizing for real results one day at a time. Ready to move beyond the basics and set up a Meta Ads campaign that's structured for success? Day 1 breaks down Meta Ads fundamentals, walking you through business manager setup, ad account creation, and navigating the Ads Manager dashboard. Day 2 focuses on selecting the right campaign objective, whether it's awareness, traffic, leads, or sales, so you can align your ad strategy with real business goals and avoid common mistakes from the start. Want your meta ads to reach the right people and stop their scroll? Day 3 teaches you advanced audience targeting using core, custom, and lookalike audiences to connect with users most likely to convert. Day 4 focuses on crafting scroll-stopping creatives, from choosing between images and videos to writing compelling copy and designing clear CTAs that drive action. Together, these 2 days build the bridge between strategy and engagement. Ready to take your Meta Ads live and launch a campaign built to perform? Day 5 helps you plan your budget and choose the best placements, teaching you how to allocate spend effectively and schedule ads for maximum impact. Day 6 then walks you through the actual launch process, breaking down the campaign structure step by step, guiding you through final reviews and helping you avoid common rejection pitfalls so your ads go live smoothly. Want to move from running ads to mastering them and scaling your results? Day 7 focuses on tracking key metrics, interpreting reports, and making data-driven optimizations to improve performance. Day 8 takes you further, setting up retargeting audiences, scaling campaigns safely, and sharing pro strategies to avoid common mistakes as you advance from beginner to confident Meta Ads marketer. Want more content that helps you grow? If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment, share it forward, and subscribe for more. Your support fuels our next lesson. Let's grow together.